Okay, so we've written our introduction and we're up to writing the body of the explanation. So as you can see here, that's the introduction at the top. I've got a title, introduction, and then I've got 3 paragraphs which make up the whole body of our explanation piece. And so if we think about what I wrote in my plan, I wrote in the first paragraph all about what is a nude lunchbox. And then the second paragraph is all about how rubbish can affect the environment. And the third paragraph is all about how nude lunchboxes can help in general. So things we need to think about when we're writing a body is that it needs to be tenseless. And that means we're not writing in the past and we're not really writing in the future. We're just making it sound like it can apply to any time. So that goes with the introduction as well. In an explanation piece, it's important to have subject-specific nouns. So I'm just actually going to highlight a few important nouns that we've got in our body. Nude lunchbox is one. We'll do that here. We've got plastic-free lunchboxes here. That's also some subject-specific nouns. And we've got honey wrap. Compartments. Separate containers. I'm not going to list all of them, but you get the gist. These are nouns which are just specific to this piece of writing. And there's also quite a few strong verbs in here. I'm going to change the colour to pink. Things like, over here we've got fly. We've got whips. So the wind often whips packaging straight out of the children's lunch boxes. Eats. Remember, verbs are doing words. And I'm not going to highlight them all, but you can see that it needs to have quite a few descriptive verbs in there.